The One Thing presents a simple but powerful productivity philosophy centered on a single guiding question. What's the one thing I can do such that by doing it, everything else will be easier or unnecessary? Arguing that extraordinary results come not from trying to do everything, but from identifying and relentlessly focusing on the single most important priority at any given time. Gary Keller and Papasan open by challenging several widely accepted productivity myths, including the idea that everything matters equally, that multitasking is effective, and that willpower is always available on demand, presenting research and real-world examples showing that these commonly held beliefs actually undermine focus and long-term achievement rather than support it. The book introduces the focusing question as its central tool, explaining that this question is specifically designed to be both broad, in identifying what truly matters, and specific, in narrowing down to a single actionable priority, making it applicable to any area of life, from career and business to health, relationships, and personal growth. A key concept in the book is the domino effect, illustrating through the physics of domino chains that success is often the result of a sequential series of small, precisely targeted actions rather than scattered efforts across multiple fronts, and that identifying your first domino, the one thing that will set off the greatest positive chain reaction, is critical for achieving extraordinary results efficiently. The authors challenge the common belief that success requires balance across all areas of life simultaneously, instead advocating for what they call counterbalancing, where extraordinary results in one area of life require temporarily prioritizing that area over others, followed by intentional efforts to counterbalance the areas that were neglected, rather than trying to give equal daily attention to everything at once. Keller and Papasan address the persistent myth that multitasking increases productivity, presenting cognitive research showing that the brain cannot actually process two complex tasks simultaneously, but rather rapidly switches attention back and forth, which reduces overall efficiency and increases errors compared to sustained, singular focus. The book explores the concept of time blocking for your most important priority, encouraging readers to protect dedicated, uninterrupted blocks of time, treating this time with the same seriousness as an important business meeting, since your one thing rarely gets accomplished if left to whatever time happens to be left over after everything else. Keller and Papasan discuss the Four Thieves of Productivity: the inability to say no, fear of chaos, poor health habits, and an environment that doesn't support your goals, identifying these as the primary obstacles that prevent people from consistently focusing on their most important priority. They also explore the concept of purpose, priority, and productivity as an interconnected chain. Living with a clear sense of purpose helps identify the right priorities, and consistently acting on those priorities is what constitutes genuine productivity, rather than simply staying busy or completing large volumes of less important tasks. The book closes by addressing the common excuses and fears that prevent people from committing fully to their one thing, including the fear of narrowing focus too much or missing out on other opportunities, arguing that this fear of going small is precisely what prevents most people from ever achieving truly extraordinary results. Ultimately, The One Thing argues that the path to extraordinary personal and professional success isn't about managing time better across many priorities, but about ruthlessly narrowing focus to identify and consistently act on the single most impactful action available at any given moment.